Hey, what up, folks? Welcome back to Ross Garage. Hey, I'm still working. On the trailer. So, it's a little windy today, but it's gonna be about 60 degrees. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you what I've done on this trailer. That's the awning. I'm gonna get a new checker awning for it. But anyways, you see this side completely. We repaired this side completely. We replaced all the metal underneath it, all of it. We rust treated, proofed it. We did all the welding, and we replaced both corners, because they were gone. And we put a little bit of sound deadening underneath it. And we replaced all the metal from here, the frame, all the way to the end. So we had to take all the sheet screws, and I sealed it completely. All the everything has been sealed and replaced. We fixed the door that was really bad, and fixed. Went up top and sealed everything on top with new caulking. You got to do that at least once every other year or so. I got the equalizer bars installed on it. That's my hitch. I just got that in not too long ago. I purchased from a buddy of mine. I got the bars here. So I set up the generator right here, right in the tongue, right on the tongue. And then I moved the batteries. The batteries used to be right here, and I moved them back over here in the back. And the gas used to be in the middle, the propane, and now I moved it back here in the back. So I get a lot of room, because it's a long tongue. It's about 4.5 feet, 5 feet. So what I'm working right now is the opposite side. So let me close this, because the wind is going to take this door. There you go. So I'm working on the opposite side, because it's the same way the other one was. This one's a little bad. It's a little worse. So you can see over there, it's a little bit of rust, but I already replaced. You see? So I got to get all this squared away right here. I get it all done. I'm gonna cut this out and put a new sheet metal, and everything's gonna. But I already replaced and put. You see that bar right there, angle iron, and then excuse me, and then this one's gonna go here, like that, and we're gonna finish this off and tie it off. And it's gonna turn out. This is what I do, man. I do this for a living. So. And I'm a rust treat, and eliminate whatever bad cancer, and eliminate it. So that's where I'm at. So I got to just finish that side, and then I got to move on to this side right here. It's the same way. So, but after I do this right here, this trailer will be complete. So a lot of work, but I purchased it, fairly cheap. So, when you buy stuff cheap, I took all the screws down here. When you buy stuff cheap, you're gonna encounter some stuff that you got to repair. But after you repair, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be good. Oh man, that flap! I gotta close that flap right there, because the wind is gonna take it. It's really, really windy. So anyways, hopefully today, by the end of the video, we're gonna move her thing. We're gonna move it out of there into a new trailer and see how it fits. So we'll see. Hopefully we get it. I'll post a video of it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'll see you later, guys, and just keep following me. Bye.